So guys, are you looking for the best Android emulators to run Android's app? Whether you want to play popular mobile games or test out new apps and games smoothly on your low-end PC, look no further. We've compiled a list of the top 5 emulators that are perfect for running Android apps and games on your low-end PC. These emulators will provide a seamless experience without putting a strain on your system. Let's dive into the world of Android emulation and find the perfect fit for your PC. First is the Bluestacks. Bluestacks is one of the most popular Android emulators for PC. It offers a user-friendly interface and is known for its compatibility with a wide range of Android apps and games. Bluestacks is designed to provide a smooth and responsive experience and making a great choice for low-end PC. And let's go to the second one, which is LDPlayer. LDPlayer is another reliable Android emulator that is optimized for gaming. It provides advanced features such as keyboard mapping, controller support, and a macro recorder, making it ideal for gamers. LDPlayer is lightweight and efficient, making it suitable for low-end PCs. And for the third one, which is LDPlayer. LDPlayer is specifically designed for gaming and offers high performance with low resource usage. It is optimized to run popular mobile games with high graphics settings, making it a great choice for gaming enthusiasts with low-end PCs. And the fourth one, which is Emulator. Emulator is an Android emulator that focuses on delivering a smooth gaming experience. It supports multiple instances, allowing users to run multiple games or apps simultaneously. Emulator also offers customizable settings to optimize performance on low-end hardware. And the fifth and the last one, which is Remix OS Player. Remix OS Player is based on Android Marshmallow and is designed to provide a native Android experience on PC. It offers a clean and intuitive interface along with features such as key mapping and multitasking support. Remix OS Player is well suited for running Android apps and games on low-end PCs. So these emulators that I said in this video offers a range of features and performance optimizations to ensure that you can enjoy a smooth and lag-free experience while using Android apps and playing games on your low-end PC, whether you have an older PC or a budget-friendly system. These emulators will open up a world of possibilities for you without encountering performance issues. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for the upcoming uploads.